It's February, and that means new prompts for Ephemera Madness.
Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. Today is another Ephemera Madness video. We are building our ephemera stash again this year, working through prompts that I give each month. Now this, if you would like to participate, the prompt list is on my community tab, it is in my Ko-fi shop, and it's in my Facebook group. February, we are doing postcards and our fodder. You can do one, you could do both, you can mismatch. If you would like to participate, please just put at Scrapbooks and Memories in your description so I'm alerted that you have participated, because I'm putting everyone into a giveaway that participates. And also use hashtag Ephemera Madness 25. I'm super excited to show you guys the fodder I created. So we have the ones I showed for my glue book. I'm just kind of spread them out here. These are the ones I've made for magazines. So many. I've gone mad. I've literally gone mad with the fodder. I love it. It's absolutely fun, easy, simple, great way to jazz up glue books, collages, embellishments, all sorts of things. I'm going to show you what I did with the ones I created, some of the ones, because I made a lot. So those are for magazines mostly. And then I have a bunch of other ones that I made. Some of them are watercolor and marker. This one is watercolor, this one's marker. These are marker. We have some more watercolor. Then we have markers. Some of them are magazines. This is one of my faves. We have some different type of mushrooms. I'm trying to spread it all out here. It's so much. We have some little birdies. These are more like little illustrations. And I did with watercolor. A couple of those I did. We have some more watercolor images. I've been having so much fun with my watercolors. I thought, what a great way to cut them out. Another little birdie. I suck at making birds, but they came out okay. And then these are some more marker ones. And then I traced a die cut that I had and made some little butterflies. These are just like little background pieces. Some more watercolor. Wow, I didn't realize I made so much. Some leaves. I really love the ones that I did in the marker. I think those came out so pretty. These leaves are in marker too, with the little mushroom. Love that. So super fun. So I made a bunch of that. And then I was like, oh, these are so fun. I love them. I want to add them to things. So I created some little mini envelopes. These are little gift card size envelopes. This one has a little tab right here to go in and out. And then I just put some stamped images on the back that I did, and then one of my pieces of fodder with the little fairy. Also did this one with the purple. I think those were pastels that I used, and then went over it with the marker. And then this was a magazine. These came out so cute. I think this one might be one of my favorites. I love the flower and the butterfly with the background of the flowers. And I paid in that way. I put the other half of the butterfly here. And this one also opens this way. And I really like this one too. Oh, and I like the magazine fodder with like the paint. I think it was either the pastels, I think maybe it was, or watercolor paint. And then I went over it with a permanent marker. And then I even snuck in some more little magazine fodder here, little flowers. Really love how those came out. And then I was like, oh, I want to make some postcards. So we have this mini one here. Now I just did these on like what color? It was like a creamy type paper. And then I inked it all the way around, and then I went in with my Distressed Oxide in, what is this color again? Vintage Photo, yes, in the Vintage Photo, and I did the stamping in Vintage Photo, and because my black ink is really running out and low, it sucks now, I used some of my watercolor paints without the water added to it. I just lightly put it on my stamps and added some black stamping in there, and then I added the rose fodder on top. So super cute. It's the second one. I really love these, how bold they are against this. Like, I like mixing vintage looking with like modern looking bold stuff. So this looks really cute and fun. And then I decided to use my a bigger piece to make a bigger postcard and my watercolors. And these are just a bunch of different stamping. I even did some prints here, act like someone had already wrote on it before. So pretty. I love the way the watercolor just looks really like beautiful with this. It just, oh, I love it. And I did splatter it with some black watercolor paints. I did some little bluebells. Love how these came out, you guys. I definitely want to make some more of these. And you know, if you're in my Facebook group and you're not a creator on YouTube, you can go ahead and share what you've created for Ephemera Madness in my Facebook group. All the links could be in the description box below. If you don't have a channel and you don't want to participate that way, you could always just pop into my Facebook group and snap a little picture and share what you're creating for Ephemera Madness. Thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you, ladies that participated last month. I'm going to be putting your names in the jar today, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next one. Bye.